Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ahmed and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide apps on all Android phones. Okay, first go to Play Store and download Hide You app. I leave you the app download link in the description or in the pinned comment. Okay, once the app is downloaded, open it and you'll get it like that. Then tap agree and continue. Then tap allow. Then create password, then hit equal button. Then confirm the password, then hit equal button. Then click on the go back button over here. Then tap skip. Then tap hide apps. Then select the apps that you want to hide like that. Then hit next. Then enter. Then select calculator like your default home app. Now, if you want to see the hidden apps, enter the calculator. Then enter your password, then hit equal button. And here you can see the hidden apps. And if you want to show the apps, tap hide apps, then tap unhide, unhide, unhide. Then go back by clicking the arrow button over here. And now the app have been shown. And if you want to restore home screen, tap restore home screen over here. Then restore. Then select your default home app. And like that you can hide apps on all Android phones, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.